Hello and welcome back to my channel. So you want to earn in dollars. That's very cool. In this video, I'm going to tell you some of the things you can do to start earning in dollar. Now, I have received a lot of questions from people, especially those people that are not in tech and they want to transition into tech and they're like, how can I start earning money in dollar? How can I start making dollars? I have a lot of people asking these questions. And sit back and listen to what I have to say in this particular video. So first thing you need to know is that making money in dollar or like making money generally is not magic. You have to have something to offer, except you're a criminal that wants to go steal the money. So, but if you are not that type of person, that means you need to settle down and learn a skill, learn something. And that's something that some of these set of people that are asking these questions are not even ready for. Some of them just think it's magic. They just think I can just like making money in tech is so easy and I can just start making money. It's not like that. So you need first forget everything I have to say, but the number one thing you need to know is that you need to have a skill, because it is only when you have something to offer. It's more like a trade, it's more like an exchange. You need to offer somebody something for them to offer you something in return. So for you to make money in tech, you need to have something you can offer that will give you that money. Now, another thing that people do that I've seen, especially those that come to my office to learn a skill, maybe they're just transitioning. Some of them are very, very impatient. They'll just be like, oh, I want to come and learn tech so that I can start earning in dollar, because people feel like tech is the escape route for you to start earning in dollar, which might not be wrong, but you need to take your time on it. So like I said earlier, it's not magic. It's not, oh, you just come 1 month, 2 months, start earning. It's possible. People are different. So some people can learn in 2 months, in 1 month and start earning, but that might not be your case. And so you have to be patient, because some people are not patient. Maybe they finish training for 3 months and then they are expecting to start earning. And when the earning does not come or does not happen immediately, they go back to what they were doing before. And then after some time, they will come back again and say they want to make money. So now let me just tell you the plain truth. And for emphasis sake, number one thing, you need to have a skill. And if you are somebody that is probably scared of programming and you feel like, oh, you don't have that time or you don't have the capacity to be able to learn how to code, then there are many other tech areas that you can also consider doing or learning how to function in those areas for you to be able to start earning on those areas. Now, I'm going to be mentioning areas that does not involve coding. First of all, if you are somebody that have eye for good design, you can consider doing UI UX design. If you are somebody that know how to manage people, you can consider learning how to be a product manager. And if you are somebody that likes to market products and do social media, you can consider learning about social media management and digital marketing. And if you are somebody that likes to assist virtually, you can consider virtual assistant. And if you are someone that can translate, you can consider being a translator. And if you are a teacher trying to migrate or transition into tech, there are different platforms where you can get to teach virtually. Like what I'm doing right now is as good as teaching. So you could even start by, you could create courses that you can publish on Udemy or any platform of your choice, where people can start buying your courses and you start getting paid for that. And you could also create YouTube content where you can start growing your channel, and before you know it, you can start making money out of that channel. So these things take time. So you should be ready to put in the work and be patient. So that's basically what I have to say in this subject. Opportunities are vast as far as the tech space is concerned. Making money is not the most difficult thing to do in the tech space, but you need to have the necessary skill set. You need to have necessary connections. By connections, I mean your network. So because it's not enough to have a skill, it's one thing to have the necessary skill, and it's another thing for another person to know that you have that skill, for them to be able to like recommend you for opportunities or even make opportunities available to you because they know that you have the skill, because you have been talking about it, you have been sharing your progress and what you're doing. So in other words, I would advise that whatever you are learning as you begin this journey, maybe after watching this video you want to start learning one of these things, as you begin this journey, always try to talk about what you are doing on social media, because right now things are not as easy when it comes to tech, getting a tech job as it used to be. So a lot of people are coming into the industry, and in a way it's affecting the available jobs in this space. So in other words, for you to stand a better chance is for you to talk about what you are doing. Let the world know that you're doing this, you're doing that, you can do this, you can do that. Don't just keep it to yourself, because you will not be doing yourself any good if you are the only one that know that you can do this thing. So I believe you have learned something from this video. I believe this video has impacted you one way or the other. Please do well to like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and I'll see you next time.